Have you checked your Galaxy A series phone for the latest update? If not, now might be the time. Samsung has just rolled out the January 2025 security patch for several mid-range Galaxy A smartphones in the United States. The update is now available for the Galaxy A23 5G, Galaxy A32 5G, Galaxy A35 5G, and the Galaxy A53 5G. These phones may not be the newest in Samsung's lineup, but they are still receiving important security updates to keep them running smoothly and securely. Most of these devices have been around for more than 3 years, but Samsung continues to provide them with security patches. The latest update arrives with specific build numbers for each model, including a 236 USKS9 ELA1 for the Galaxy A23, a 326 U1 UESTXL1 for the Galaxy A32, a 356 U1 UES480A1 for the Galaxy A35, and a 536 U1 UESCYA3 for the Galaxy A53. While these numbers might not mean much to the average user, they indicate that the new security patch is now live and ready for download. So what exactly does this update bring? The January 2025 security patch addresses a total of 29 vulnerabilities affecting the core Android operating system. Additionally, Samsung has included fixes for 22 security issues that specifically impact its own devices. These updates are crucial for keeping phones protected from potential security threats, ensuring that user data remains safe. Even though these may not be major software upgrades, regular security patches play a key role in maintaining the stability and performance of a smartphone. For those using the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A53, there is more to look forward to beyond just security patches. In the next couple of months, these two devices will receive Samsung's One UI 7 update, which is based on Android 15. This means users can expect new features, performance improvements, and possibly even refinements to the user interface. Unfortunately, Galaxy A23 and Galaxy A32 users won't be as lucky, as these models are not eligible for any further major operating system upgrades. However, it will still receive security patches for a while, ensuring that they remain protected. The latest update is currently available for unlocked versions of these devices in the United States. Carrier-locked variants haven't received the update yet, but they are expected to follow soon. If you own any of these models and want to check for the update, simply go to the Settings menu, select Software Update, and tap Download and Install. It's always a good idea to keep your phone up to date, as these patches often include important security fixes that protect against vulnerabilities and potential threats. Keeping your device updated is one of the simplest ways to ensure that it stays secure and runs efficiently. While software updates can sometimes feel like a minor inconvenience, they often contain essential improvements that go beyond just security. They help optimize performance, fix bugs, and sometimes even introduce new features. Whether you're using a Galaxy A23, A32, A35, or A53, staying up to date with the latest software ensures that your phone remains reliable. What is the thinnest Samsung Galaxy smartphone ever? Over the years, Samsung has focused on innovation, bringing new features and advancements, but making phones thinner hasn't been its main priority. While some foldable devices have pushed the boundaries of slim design, most of Samsung's flagship models have maintained a relatively standard thickness. However, this approach might be changing soon. At the Samsung Unpacked 2025 event in San Jose, the company teased a brand new addition to its Galaxy S series, the Galaxy S25 Edge. While this device is not officially available yet, Samsung made one thing clear: it's going to be remarkably thin. Although Samsung hasn't revealed the exact measurements, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Edge could be as slim as 6.4 millimeters. This shift in design indicates that Samsung is once again experimenting with making ultra-thin smartphones without compromising on durability and features. But before we talk about what's coming in the future, let's focus on what's already available in the market. If you're looking for the thinnest Samsung Galaxy smartphones right now, there are several options that are under 8 millimeters in thickness. Among them, the slimmest model is the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, which measures just 4.9 millimeters when unfolded. Following closely behind is the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is 5.6 millimeters when unfolded, and the Galaxy Z Flip 6, which comes in at 6.9 millimeters when unfolded. In the traditional slab-style phone category, the base Galaxy S25 is one of the slimmest, measuring just 7.2 millimeters. The Galaxy S25 Plus is slightly thicker at 7.3 millimeters, while last year's Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus measure 7.6 millimeters and 7.7 millimeters, respectively. If you were looking for mid-range options, the Galaxy M55, M55s, C55, and F55 all have a thickness of 7.8 millimeters, while the Galaxy S16 and A16 5G are just slightly thicker at 7.9 millimeters. While these smartphones are among the thinnest currently available, none of them hold the record for the slimmest Samsung smartphone ever made. That title belongs to a device released 10 years ago, the Galaxy A8 2015. With an incredibly slim body measuring just 5.9 millimeters, this phone remains the thinnest Samsung smartphone to date. Despite its ultra-thin design, the Galaxy A8 2015 still managed to include a 3.5mm headphone port, something that has become rare in modern smartphones. It also featured a 3050 mAh battery, which was quite impressive for its time. Fast forward to today, and the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature a 3900 mAh battery, demonstrating how far battery technology has come. While older ultra-thin phones often had to sacrifice battery capacity to maintain a slim design, modern advancements allow for thinner devices with larger battery sizes. This raises an interesting question. Will the Galaxy S25 Edge set a new record for Samsung's thinnest smartphone while still maintaining the durability and power of modern flagships? Did you know Samsung's Galaxy A56 is on the verge of becoming one of the most talked about mid-range smartphones of the year? With exciting leaks and certifications pouring in, there's plenty to discuss, including a game-changing confirmation. The Galaxy A56 will come with One UI 7 based on Android 15 right out of the box. Let's break down everything we know so far. Just recently, the U.S. Federal Communications Commission, FCC, certified the Galaxy A56. Listed under the model number SM-A566E, this variant is expected to be sold primarily in Asian and Middle Eastern markets. While certifications like this might seem routine, one detail stands out. A document from the FCC includes a screenshot taken directly from the phone's status information screen. It might seem like a small detail, but that screenshot reveals something huge. The battery icon in the image clearly belongs to Samsung's One UI 7 interface, confirming that this device will not only run Android 15, but also features Samsung's latest software customization. While earlier leaks like those from Geekbench already revealed that the Galaxy A56 would launch with Android 15, this is the first time we're seeing solid evidence of its integration with Samsung's newest interface. This combination of software is bound to enhance the user experience, offering smoother navigation, fresh design updates, and more intuitive features. But what about hardware? Well, the Galaxy A56 isn't just about upgraded software. Its specifications are equally impressive. According to the SCC certification and other sources, the phone will support 5G connectivity, which is essential for anyone looking to stay connected with fast, reliable speeds. It also includes Bluetooth 5.3, which ensures better wireless connections whether you're streaming music, using wireless earbuds, or transferring files. And then there's the charging speed. The Galaxy A56 is equipped with 45-watt charging capabilities, a feature that sets it apart from many of its competitors in this price range. With this level of power, you'll be able to recharge your phone much faster, cutting down the time you spend tethered to a charger. Whether you're in a rush or simply hate waiting for a full battery, this feature is bound to impress. It's not just the FCC that's backing up these details. TÜV Rheinland, another certification body, has also approved the Galaxy A56, along with two other models in the A-series lineup, the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A26. While details about these other models are still sparse, the certifications suggest that Samsung is gearing up for a significant launch in the coming weeks. All of this indicates that the Galaxy A56 is nearly ready to hit the shelves. Samsung's commitment to combining powerful hardware with the latest software is evident here. The inclusion of One UI 7, along with features like 5G, advanced Bluetooth, and fast charging, makes the Galaxy A56 a strong contender in the mid-range market. So what does this mean for potential buyers? If you're looking for a device that delivers cutting-edge software and hardware at an affordable price point, the Galaxy A56 should definitely be on your radar.